In this tutorial, you will be creating a cup two different ways. The first way is by creating majority of the cup shape in a 2D sketch and using 3D modeling features to add final finishing touches. The second way is by creating a 2D sketch with one circle and using 3D modeling features to create the rest of the cup. On the Home tab, start a sketch on the XZ plane. First, we'll create the line to represent the height of the cup. Click at the origin to set the first endpoint of the line. Enter in a length of 150 millimeters. When the InSPIRESS icon for vertical line appears, click to place the line. Next, we'll create the base of the cup. Hover around the origin until the InSPIRESS icon appears for an endpoint. Click to set the first endpoint of the line. Enter a length of 50 millimeters. When the InSPIRESS icon for horizontal line appears, click to place the line. Now for the side of the cup. We don't know how long the line is, but we know it should be at a 75-degree angle. Enter an angle of 75 degrees and extend the line so it approaches the height of the first line. InSPIRESS will highlight the first line once you reach the same height. Click to place the line. Complete the sketch profile by connecting the last line with the first line. Now we have the overall shape of the cup, but we still need for it to be hollowed out on the inside, not solid. The wall thickness should be 5 millimeters. We're going to make a guess of where 5 millimeters is and begin a line. Draw the line until it is about 5 millimeters away from the 75-degree line. Click to create an endpoint. Create a line from this endpoint that is parallel to the 75-degree line and ends at the top horizontal line. Now we have our thickness. These extra lines have to be deleted for the sketch to work. We will use trim to get rid of these lines. Trim deletes unneeded lines and closes endpoints automatically. Trim the two extra lines. The last sketch feature is rounded top edges. Click on Fillet. Fillet creates rounded corners and automatically trims lines. Click on the two lines forming a corner. Enter a radius of 5 millimeters. The sketch is now complete. Close the sketch. The last step to create the cup is a revolve protrusion. Revolves create a 3D surface of a sketch rotated around a certain angle that is on a defined axis. Select Revolve, the sketch, and click Accept. Choose the axis of rotation. Select Revolve 360 degrees. You are now done with method 1 of creating the cup. The second method of creating a cup begins the same way, with the sketch. This time we will select the XY plane as our sketching plane. Create a circle with its center point at the origin. Enter a radius of 50 millimeters. Close the sketch. From this point on, all features will be created in 3D. Select Extrude, the sketch, and Accept. Extrude creates a 3D surface of a sketch. Enter distance of 150. Select the option of extrusion in the positive C direction. This is the height of the cup. Now we need the angled sides of the cup. For this we'll use draft angles. Draft angles form angles by pushing or pulling the selected faces. Select the bottom of the cup. This signifies that this face is neutral and will not be altered. Next, select the surfaces that change. Enter a draft angle of 15 degrees, click Accept, and Next. Decide the direction of the draft angle. Click and hit Finish. We'll create a cup thickness using Thin Wall. Thin Wall removes material from a model to a specified thickness. Enter a common thickness of 5 millimeters. Select the top surface, hit Preview, and Finish. The last step is to round the top edge of the cup. Select Round Edge, Corner. Enter a radius of 5 millimeters and click Accept. You have now completed one model in 2 different ways. Hopefully you are now aware that it is best to create simple sketches and leave complex features for the 3D environment. This is a good skill to develop and will save time if a part requires modification later.